We'll return to your program in just a moment. It's that time of the year you're out in the garden and naturally you have questions. That's why we're here with Mike Bluemel, owner of Bluemel's Garden and Landscape Center, with more green thumb tips. So Mike, how important is soil to plant performance?
Soil is very important. It's the basic for how the plant grows. It's everything that it needs.
But what if our viewers have bad soil? How will they know?
Well, if it's holding water or cracking, that indicates that it's way too much clay, as we typically have around here. And if the plant's stunted or not flowering enough, that indicates not enough nutrients in the soil.
And what do you recommend they do?
If it's not draining, you need to add sand or something to help it drain. And if it's not flowering or stunted, you need to add peat humus or cow manure or something to really add nutrients back into the soil.
And can they purchase those products here at Bluemel's?
We can certainly help them out, pick out whatever's best for their soil.
Thanks so much, Mike. For your gardening needs and for more green thumb tips, visit Bluemel's Garden and Landscape Center.